The heat is overwhelming, Lord, humidity's climbing high. Thank God for that breeze drifting slow under a thatched roof sky. Seas of soup I'm swimming, waves whisper sweet then lie. Pull me under sudden, leave me gasping, asking why. Oh, it's the end of the season, shade and thirst collide. Water, beer and fruit juice, tourists barely survive. The breeze keeps on returning, like a friend I can't deny. But my headache keeps on burning, blues won't let me hide.
Backwards singing rhythm, omelets frying in the pan. Strawberry cellar talking soft to a Norwegian woman's hand. I'm tempted with my camera to show the world this land, but the boy tears down the hut roof, palm leaves in his hand. Oh, it's the end of the season,
shade and thirst collide. Water, beer and fruit juice, tourists barely survive. Keeps on returning, like a friend I can't deny. But my headache keeps on burning, blues won't let me hide.
skin is burning, dampness rising. 9 o'clock, the sun's aflame. Cheese omelet on my toast, soda lime to ease the pain. Bubbles gurgle down my throat, bring me back to life again. Salt upon my shoulders, breezes mercy in the game.
I'm packing up my house, trunks heavy with my sheets, clothes and towels dry and slow, garden size and heat. Kitchen waits for closure, pans and dishes meet, fan above me turning, blues beneath my feet. Birds and dogs and squirrels echo through the air. Even their chirping bothers me, but they're burning too out there. Civilization feels so far, no cool to ease despair. Too old for this damp climate, too tired for repair. Oh, it's the end of the season, shade and thirst collide. Water, beer and fruit juice, tourists barely survive. The breeze keeps on returning, like a friend I can't deny. But my headache keeps on burning,
tourists smiling, shells are only pour. Music in her laughter, sympathy in her sword. 2 words, 2 glances, parallel lives cut short.
Infinite rails of viewpoints, beauty everywhere I see. Better lost in nothingness than boxed in misery. Universe never ending, never starting, endlessly free. Her music out of season, but inside everything to me.
2 hearts unknown by the ocean, her dismantled by the sea. My movie plays in silence, blue's the only key. Headache rising heavy, humid breeze won't let me be. No way out but singing, let the blues carry me.
Oh, it's the end of the season, shade and thirst collide. Water, beer and fruit juice, tourists barely survive. The breeze keeps on returning, like a friend I can't deny. But my head